गुजारा है, दिल है मुश्किल मुझे आजमाती है तेरी कमी, मेरी हर कमी को है तू लाज़मी, जुनून है मेरा बनूं मैं तेरे काबिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा ऐ दिल है मुश्किल। माना कि तेरी मौजूदगी में ये जिंदगानी महरूम है, जीने का कोई दूजा तरीका ना मेरे दिल को मालूम है। मैं तुझको कितनी शिद्दत से चाहूं, चाहे तू रहना तू बेखबर है, बिंदास इतना बिल्कुल नहीं है, एक तरफा मेरा सफर सफर, आसमां ढूंढे तेरी कमी, मेरी हर कमी को है तू लाज़मी, जुनून है मेरा बनूं मैं तेरे काबिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा है, दिल है मुश्किल। मुझे पानी ना मांगे हिंदी बोल रहा है।
चलो all right, now we have another performance by Brajesh. Look at the camera and sing. Look at the camera and sing.
तेरे नाम हमने किया है जीवन अपना सारा सनम, हो जीवन अपना सारा सनम, गुलशन भी अब तो वीराना लगता है, हर अपना हमको बेगाना लगता है, हम तेरी यादों में खोए रहते हैं, लोग हमें पागल दीवाना कहते हैं, तेरे बिना तेरे बिना तेरे बिना नामुमकिन है जिंदगी का गुजारा सनम, हो जिंदगी का गुजारा सनम। नहीं
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
आग लगा दिया, आग लगा दिया, आग।
IT.
Okay, ma'am.
Type a paragraph, 100 words on information technology. Time allowed 10 minutes and your time starts now. प्रैक्टिस सेशन है, प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट है ये। Copy pasting is not allowed. Right. Information technology. I would like to tell you कैसे लिखा जाता है किसी टॉपिक पे। Why, 5W and 1H. Why, what, why, where, how. What, why, when, where, who, how. 5 W's and 1H. मतलब why क्या हो गया, what क्या हो गया, define what is information technology. Why information technology, when information technology, where कहाँ जरूरत पड़ती है, कैसे किया जाता है। तो किसी टॉपिक पे 5W and 1H इंक्लूड कर लोगे ना तो सब कुछ सामने सामने दिखने लगेगा। कोशिश करो। Read.
Information technology. we know about information technology. It is the most growing technology in our world. In our modern life, information technology growing day by day, and it plays a very important role in our life. It provides the resources that we use for our comfort, such as browser, many types of applications like system and web applications, a lot of facilities in our daily life. The information technology that provides us. Information technology provides us news, research, result, and many more by help of internet. By the help of internet, information technology makes our life reliable and convenient. The main purpose of the information technology is to provide more and more good results and develop our mindset, and also it is used in various purpose like used by the uh,
जो
IB
लिखो वही
Jones.
पढ़ो.
मैम उतना लिखे नहीं है, लेकिन आप ही ने बोले कि 10 मिनट देना है, बोल रहे हैं अपनी तरफ से आप यहाँ तक पढ़े हैं.
ठीक.
ठीक है, यहाँ
Have you
तक
read
पढ़
for till here?
हाँ यहाँ तक पढ़ चुके हैं, सर बोल देते हैं. Information technology is the main purpose that is used by the scientists and researchers, developers, web developers, engineers, and many other areas where information technology is used. In information technology, we know how to use it. There are two types of users in our world. Some of the users are legal users and other are illegal users. The legal users are using the information technology as a legal purpose, so it can be reliable for all the users. But the illegal users are as a browser. You know, browser is a virus that you can access the data and any other operations, and you can use it.
All right, good. Okay. If you write like this within the given frame, then definitely you qualified for the PI round.
Okay.
PI round is the personal interview round. Personal interview. Now let me ask you a question. Introduce yourself.
My name is Vishnu Sharma, and I am reading in BCA at Siemens College, Patna. And
Tell me something about Simaj College, Patna.
Siemens College, Patna. I don't know about the college, but when I come in the Patna, then many of the students meet me along, and I say how the college is good or not. The students are replying me, there's very good teaching purpose, very good talented teachers are there in the college, and who know how to treat a
All right.
student.
Why do you want to work in Wipro?
I want to work in Wipro because I want some many of the knowledge that I not gain by the other companies. That is a reliable company and very old company. You know that it is a very क्या बोल भूल गए मतलब जानकार.
All right. Where do you see yourself 2 years from now?
I am self that see you in 2 years now as a leading company employee.
In 2 years, you will be in a leading company.
Yes.
What are you? What is your one of the finest traits which can take you ahead?
My final stage is which I take you ahead is that I want to become a good developer. That I develop.
What is your plus point? What will help you to move ahead in life?
Work hard and focus on that work that I assigned by my seniors and other.
You must have attended now the technical round. You must have attended some of the workshops conducted at Siemens. Tell me something about the workshop which you have.
I am not because I'm not there. Same time.
All right. Are you? What do you understand by the term quick learning?
The term I understand that quick learning. That the quick learning not is not other things, but simple thing is that when you realize what the question said to me, what am I reply to us, then what am I to write on those questions, and what am I say about the questions. The main purpose of the question was how to treat you, that your question is you read or not.
Are you willing to relocate?
No.
You will not relocate.
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
You will live in Patna only.
Yes.
Then how can you work in Wipro then?
That's not final. It's my try.
You don't understand the question. Can you read it? Okay.
Here I will locate when I pass the exam.
It means, are you willing to work anywhere outside Patna?
Yes,
Then you said no.
yes, ma'am. I work out. I selected.
Yeah.
I took
use 5 time backspace because it is the first time, and our topic is a IT. So our generation is known as a IT, which is known as an information technology generation. In this generation, there has been the biggest revolution in a size, and that was that technology has come into a different stage. So this technology has been invented such amazing thing for us, our life made easier and simpler. Some of the biggest invention are computer, internet, website, e-commerce, social media, and many things. So IT is everywhere in our life. We can't think our day except for these things. So we should be thankful for this amazing invention that have been grown us to grow, that have been given us to grow.
All right. You have qualified for the PI round. So introduce yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Shambhav Sharma. I'm from Jahanabad. My hometown is
Tell me something
Jahanabad.
about Jahanabad.
So Jahanabad is a city which I studied, which I had studied.
Where I have studied.
Where I
A
have
place where I
studied
have lived. A place where I
from
was born and brought up. A place which is very close to my heart.
yes.
Okay. Continue. What are your interests and hobbies?
My interest is in doing coding. I love to reading every day. I love to code at night because it a peaceful night, and I love to work in a peaceful places.
Why do you think you are fit for this job? Why should we recruit you?
Because I have interest. I whenever
A lot of people, other people also have interest. But what makes you unique? How are you different from the others, and why should you be selected?
Because when I doing coding from some like design project, so it feel me relax and never bored like other things.
Okay, in a company like Wipro,
Yes.
will you work for your interest or the company's interest?
Both.
Both.
Yeah. When a company is required a design for this project, so I love to do that.
You did not understand. In a company like Wipro, will you work for your interest or will you work for the company's interest?
No, I work for my interest.
Wrong answer. You should always work for the company's interest. I am working at Simage, right? So will I work for Simage's interest or will I work for Sanjana ma'am's interest?
But ma'am, whatever
Huh?
whatever my interest is also loved by company.
Okay, my interest is listening to music, taking care of pets. I'll do that.
No, ma'am. My interest is what company love to do.
Yes. So of course I will work for the company's interest.
Yes, ma'am.
अपना इंटरेस्ट कब करेंगे जब हम घर में रहते हैं. When I'm not working, I'll do whatever my like Brajesh loves to sing. यहाँ पर आके भी गाना नहीं, हम काम नहीं करेंगे, हम गाना ही गाएंगे. मेरा इंटरेस्ट. So Brajesh will work for his interest or company's interest. Yes, Brajesh will sing when the company asks him to sing. Right? So such questions, I will always work for company's interest. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
All right. Last question is, you have attended some workshops in your Simage college. So tell me something about Simage, about the workshops you attended.
Simage provide a very good faculty, and the teachers are also teach very
The latest
very well.
Android workshop which you attended.
No, ma'am, I did not attend
Okay, any
Android
workshop which you
I
have
attend Python workshop.
Python workshop. Tell me something about it.
So in my first year experience in a college, I only studied Q basic language. this is Python is a very far language than QSC language, so little bit confusing. But because as I told you, my interest in a coding, so in a past before attending the Python workshop, I study from YouTube what is Python and what was it. So after completing my Python, after completing my Python from YouTube, then I attend workshop. So it takes me a little bit easier. So
All right, that's good. All right, then you can wait for the LOI. And
okay, ma'am.
thank you for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am.